Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to math class. We are here on Monday morning or afternoon, whenever you're doing this, and getting started. So as usual, we'll have the exit ticket out from lesson 31. If you remember, it's drawing tape diagrams to help us solve and identifying if the group is, if we're solving for number of groups or the size of the group, all right? Let's see what you remember from Friday and get started, all right? We'll be back here in about 5 minutes. Teachers, you can pause now. Okay, I hope that was good for you. We are back. It's 5 minutes up, so let's check out and see how you did, all right? And I want you to understand, too, if 5 minutes isn't enough, that's okay. That's really all the time we have is 5 minutes, and we're only asking you to do the best you can in that 5 minutes, so it's like a sprint. You get as far as you can, and then we're happy with the results, as long as you're giving maximum effort during that 5 minutes, okay? So let's get started. So solve the following problems. Draw tape diagrams to help you solve. Identify if the group size, number, or groups is unknown. So here's the first one. All right. 572 cars are parked in the parking garage. The same number of cars are parked in each floor. If there were 4 floors, how many cars were parked in each floor? This was unknown, was the size of the group. We knew there were 4 floors. We just didn't know how many cars were parked on those floors. So if you remember how to draw that, there it is, okay? So how many cars are parked in each floor? So if I take the 572 and divide it evenly into 4 different floors, I'm going to have 143 cars in each floor. So there were 143 cars parked in each floor, okay? Now for the second one. This one, we needed to unknown, it was the number of groups. And let me read it and see if it sticks out to you. 356 kilograms of flour were packed into sacks holding 2 grams each. So right there is our size of the group. Okay, we see that there's 2 grams each, kilograms each. What we don't know is how many groups there were, how many sacks were packed. So we had to figure out the number of groups. So I know that the size was 2 and that we used 356 kilograms. So unknown was the number of groups here. And that's how you do that, if you remember. Okay, so here I did my division, and it came with 178. Sacks. So there were 178 sacks packed. Let me spell that correctly. Great. So I look back at my work, make sure I'm proud of my work and it's neatly written out. Okay, in my best handwriting, best I can do. All right. What we're going to do today is coming up next in the I can statement. Hang tight, we'll be right back.